Bueno, día de fotos a la Celica divina del Rafa. Mirá, ahí lo escucho, loco. ¿Qué onda?
I've been down and out, my past in front of me, and somehow block out all the sun. And everything I wanna be won't happen here, so now I'm done. Now I run inside my shell, they won't know so they can't tell. All alone, ain't feeling well, that bottom pit, that's where I dwell. No more answers in my head, left alone here in my bed, thinking where this path has led us. Got my vision going red, so much promise at the start, gave the keys up to my heart, and glad he took that, broke me apart, never look back, no.
Miralo al hombre limpiando la nave. Oh, qué buen spot. Sí, sí, está hermoso. No, no. Está ideal. Hermoso. Preparativos, tenemos luces, tenemos auto, tenemos arbolito y...
Attention. You have moved into a universe that never existed. Last century will accompany you. Have a nice trip.
tenemos dos autos, uno de drift, uno decorado con lucecitas. Nada más que agregar. Vamos y vamos.